Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have a bunch of things. I have a box from Nosherie. I have a box from Boxycharm. I spent some charms, and I never did remember to do my Fab Fit Fun scratch off. And I also have a winner from my video I want to give away so you can win a giveaway. That was with Fozzie Bear, Jason from Fozzie Bear. I want to give away from him, and he sent me the giveaway, and I showed it to you, and then I showed you a giveaway that I was giving. And the winner for that is Char's Fashion Nation. And Char has her own channel, and I'll put her below for you to go find her. She does her own sewing, and she does all kinds of things on her channel. She does sewing, she does some unboxing, she does some get ready with me's, she does some cooking. And she does some, like she had extraterrestrial kind of things. So go see her if you like a mishmash, a good fun mishmash. And that's what I'm doing today, is a mishmash of things, because I just have a few little things to show you. So I'll start off with my Boxycharm. Boxycharm, as we know, is merging with Ipsy. And I don't know about my charms. I did find out after, I had a bunch of charms, so I spent them. And then I found out afterwards that they will transfer your charms over to Ipsy. And I heard that at the rate of, say if you have 500 charms, you'll get 1,000 points in Ipsy. I'm not sure. So, but I had a mega amount of charms. And what they do is they charge you things by the price of the item. So I'm going to show you those things. In my Boxycharm, my charms, this is very lightweight. It's nice to get one more box from Boxy, because who knows what the future is going to bring. This is all I have. I spent 4,700 points, and I got 6 eye masks. So it takes a while to earn points on Boxy. You have to review your products, and then sometimes after you do like 4 or 5, then they say you can't have any more points, even though you're reviewing other things. So I got the LMS eye patches. These are this is $29 for this box, and the Rhodial is $18 for this box. I love the Rhodial. I know I've tried the LMS before, but the Rhodial is more available. There are 3 packages in this box. The box is sealed, and I recently got some of these. I think they just were on sale in Boxy or Ipsy. Okay, so see, there's 3 in there. And okay, so you know, and in the LMS, there are 3 in here as well. And there we go. This is yeah, I love eye masks, but that's a lot of points, a lot of hard work to just get a couple of eye masks. But you know, what are you gonna do? Okay, that is my Boxycharm charms. And if you all have some charms, then they say they are going to move them over to Ipsy for you. So, you know, like I said, we'll see how that works. I do have a few charms left over, so I'll see what happens. And then I have Nosherie. I did get this a little while ago, but I had just put up a video. Oh, while I was off camera, I did do this, and I have not won anything. You have to get 4 of the same cake, match 4 cakes in a row to win. There's green, there's like a silvery white, a purple, and a whatever, blue. I didn't win anything. It even says down here, sorry, not an instant winner. Okay, so I didn't win. Have y'all seen anybody win? I've not seen anybody win. All right, so on this one, let me tell you a little bit about Nosherie. Now, I have a little note from them. Thank you for all your support, and we've grown this app and community to, as of today, this was a week or so ago, over 5,000 users. We're humbled and grateful to have all of you amazing snaggers discovering new products, unlocking samples, and giving valuable feedback to the brands. With this amazing growth, we've had to reevaluate our referral program so our small team can keep up and serve you best. We will be pausing our referral rewards for a time while we make some improvements. If you are a referrer, which I am, currently waiting for your reward, we didn't forget about you and we'll be reaching out soon. In the meantime, users are still welcome to share the app with their friends. Okay, so I do have a link below for you to join. How it worked before was if 5 of you joined, then I got a free box. So, but that's okay. Use my link anyway, because it'll get you quickly to the app. I won't get anything for it. That doesn't matter to me. It's all free. So I'm just happy to get what I get. And the people at Nosherie are so nice and so kind and so sweet. And they actually talk to me. And they are a small team. So I'm just happy to get these snacks and to try them. I'll tell you, y'all, everything I've tried I've really liked. So in your box, you get this. Here is their logo, Nosherie. They're on Instagram also. And what they want you to do is, just go into the app and every day, once a day, you rate. So would you try this? Would you not try this? And then you gain points, so to speak, you gain a day. So when you have 7 days under your hat, you get a free box. So, and then at some point they're going to bring back a referral program. But in the meantime, go ahead and use my link anyway. And it's okay that I don't get anything for it. I don't remember what I got. Because when you win, you get to go in and choose from the different boxes. And I forgot the name of the box that I got. But I will tell you this. When I showed you my last Nosherie video, I had 2 boxes. And I emptied them out on the table. And then when I was cleaning up afterwards, I found this in there. I never showed it to you. This is the Country Archer Provisions, made with grass-fed beef. This is a mini beef stick. Okay, and doesn't that look good? I bet it's delicious. These snacks are so much fun, y'all. And in this particular box, ooh, we got a hydration mix, blackberry lemon, and okay, there. I was gonna say, where's the brand? It's Basis. I haven't tried this one. I need hydration mixes because I dehydrate very easily when I'm sick, in the summer, anytime really. This has 1,000 milligrams of electrolytes, 4 grams of organic cane sugar, and it's backed by science. Now, there is sugar in here, and that the liquid IVs have sugar in them, and a lot of people don't like that because it has calories, but I don't like the fake sugar. My body doesn't like the fake sugar. I get migraines from some of them, so I don't mind the real sugar is fine with me. This says mix with 12 to 14 fluid ounces of cold water. And it's in the flavor blackberry lemon. So I will be trying that very soon and letting you know what I think about it. And then I got some goodies. These are all sweets. Okay, this is Nature's Bakery Fig Bar, original fig. I can feel this is a full size, it looks like it, doesn't it? And there's 2 in here. Wholesome baked in, whole wheat flour, fig paste, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, the calories are 200. It says, what is the serving size? Oh, the serving size is the whole package, which is nice. So one of these bars is going to be 100 calories. And so they look like a fig bar. It smells really good. I love Fig Newtons, so this is delicious. I love that. Yummy, yummy. And next I have, this also looks like a full size. This is Unite PB and jelly. It says made with real peanut butter and strawberry flavored bits. 190 calories. It's 10 grams of protein. So this is a protein bar. All right, let's see what it looks like. I'm not gonna be able to eat all this at one time. That'll be too many calories. Oh, it looks good, it smells good. What I'll do is I'll put this in a Ziploc bag and I'll have this for breakfast one morning as I go to work. That looks good and chewy. I like that kind of a bar, and I love a good protein bar. Peanut butter and jelly, that's what it smells like. Yummy stuff. And then there is this cute little bag. It says made good, and it says soft baked mini chocolate chip cookies. This has 120 calories, and that's what the pouch is. And wow, it says dedicated facility free from the following common allergens: peanuts, dairy, wheat and gluten, sesame, fish and shellfish, soy, egg, and tree nuts. So this is made with a gluten-free flour, and it sounds like it might be a vegan, USDA organic, nut-free, nutrients from vegetables. I don't know. There's a heart on the back. It could be vegan, but I can't tell. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. Oops. What a cute little bag. They smell good. Oh, they are soft. It's a little chocolate chip cookie. It's good. And it is soft. I need some milk now. So that is my Nosherie. So I think I'm going to eat the rest of this one. And I'm going to have that for breakfast tomorrow. And I'm going to make me a drink. And I will have this, you know, this is a good thing for me to keep at work. If I am busy and can't get to lunch, at least I'll have something to eat, some nutrition. So thanks y'all for stopping by and seeing my mishmashy stuff of everything. And I hope you enjoy this video. And thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings. Bye-bye.